Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy New Year! So today is Monday. It is January 2nd, 2023. I went to the gym this morning, of course. So now I'm at home. I'm standing in the corner where my Christmas tree was, and we're getting ready to go out to look for something to go in this area. I have a few things in mind, so hopefully I can find what I'm looking for today. But y'all know me, anytime I'm decorating anything, I like to take my time. That's just the way that I do things, but I have something in mind, so hopefully it'll turn out cute. If you guys are wondering where the stand is that I had in this corner, I moved it here probably like in December, and I really like it in this corner. It looks really cute. Excuse these chairs. We had like a little get together last night, and I brought some extra chairs out. We had a really good time. We had like a little seafood boil. We had champagne. Brought the new year in together with my brothers and sisters. It was a really good time. I didn't vlog it though, so we're getting ready to head out now. My little sister's here. Kalila, say hey. Hi. I'm not having any luck. So y'all, we decided to stop and grab some lunch. So I just got the chicken medium bowl. It's so good. If you guys haven't had it and you have one in your area, you should try it. Of course, you gotta have the magic sauce. The carrier. The carrier. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Oh, y'all, excuse my deodorant. This is the deodorant that I have on right now. This one right here. It's aluminum free. I actually don't like it, but it's aluminum free and alcohol free. The kind that's a little wet. And that's the reason why I don't really like it, because I just don't like the way it feels under my arms. But I'm trying to use it since I bought it. But I'm getting ready to head to the gym. Hopefully it's not packed. It was really packed yesterday, which was January 2nd. Y'all know in the beginning of, well, if y'all go to the gym, y'all know in the beginning of the year, I'll say like the first month in my gym, the gyms are really packed. And then it kind of die down next month. Because some people just don't stick to it. But yesterday it was really packed. But I'm thinking it was packed that early because a lot of people was off yesterday. So today, I don't think it'll be as packed because, you know, usually people are at work. But in the evening, it's going to be really packed. So I have some UPS packages that I need to take back. I ordered a lens for this camera, but it was like so cropped in. It seemed like it was really close. Turn that lens and I'm gonna go to Best Buy and look at a different lens. And then hopefully I like that one, because the one that I got, like I said, I didn't like it. And I told y'all before, that's what I like about this camera. I like to be able to switch my lens because it does change your quality. So I'm gonna look for a different lens. I watched a video on lenses last night, and it's one that I'm interested in. But when I purchased my camera, he did show me a few lens options. The one that I wanted originally, the one that I have, that I actually found it on Amazon. I ordered that one, but it's just not for me. That one I couldn't zoom in and out, and I don't like that. Like, I want to have some type of control over that. So that was probably like the biggest thing that just really bothered me, because it was so cropped in. And then with that lens, certain settings you can't do on your camera. So I want to try a different lens. So that's what I'm doing today. I switched my probiotic for the year. So I took my first one yesterday. I've been wanting to try this seed for a while. So it seems to be working pretty good. This is how it looks.
How you wind up for me? Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that little get ready with me. I'll link the video in the description box below on my skincare routine and the things that I use for my makeup. Everything is in the description box on that video. But that is my new hair routine, because I've really been loving like the blowout look, and that's why I told you guys that I wanted to try the rollers. I haven't got the hang of the rollers yet. The Velcro rollers went viral on TikTok, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to try it. And then the second reason is because, like I said, I really like that old school blowout look, and the Velcro rollers kind of give the hair a little tease, so you don't really have to do that, and it just gives it volume and stuff like that. I've been struggling with the rollers a little bit, so I decided to try the pins, and the pins really hold my curls. So I think that's going to be my new way of getting ready. I started blow drying my hair because that was something else that was just hindering me from getting ready every day, because after I go to the gym my hair is soaked. So when I took my little break, I've just been trying to create new habits for myself to where I can dress up and feel like myself, because y'all know I love getting ready. I love looking pretty, and going to the gym, having wet hair, especially when you wear extensions, wigs, it's a lot. So y'all, some of you guys probably saw the YouTube shorts, the reel. I think I did the TikTok too on some products that I got from Kiss. I know it's backwards, but they sent me like 4 of these boxes full of stuff, so I piled it all in one. The more dramatic lashes my sister took, but I kept a lot, so I wanted to just go through this box with you guys, because a lot of you guys was asking if you could see everything that's in the box. So your girl got you. Okay, thank you Kiss so much for sending this to me. I feel so special. So this is the first pair that I decided to keep. So they look like this. Very, very pretty. This is so my style. Really pretty lashes. I cannot wait to try this. This is in the style ruffle. Really pretty lashes, not too much. This is like a Sharika lash. Like, let me show y'all again. this is definitely a Sherika lash, okay? This is probably my favorite pair out of the whole box because this is definitely something that I would grab for. And they sent over some of these mascara lashes. So these are just like if you were to get your lashes done and you could just create your own vibe. So I love that. I got a few of these in here, and like I said, my little sister took some stuff too. I did get a few of these different ones. Like these are more on the thicker side. This is the multi-pack extra drama wisps, and then these right here are the Bambi wisps. So compared to the thicker ones, so love that. I'll probably try the Bambi. And then they sent over, this is the holiday limited edition, and this lash style is all nighter. So it looks like this, very pretty. And then I got a style matte sheer. This is from their False Mink collection. This is new. So they look like this. I got a bunch of their press-ons. These are really pretty. Pink. I got the chrome silver. I got some blinged out ones. I also got some holiday ones. These are some more of the ones with some rhinestones on it. And then y'all, this was so funny to me. Y'all know I was doing my Christmas nails, and they sent over some Christmas nails. These are so pretty. And y'all remember I had the Santa Claus on one of my nails. This would have been like the perfect set. I would have actually got my nails removed to wear these. So I am definitely going to save these for next year. They are the cutest, okay? And this is a special design. Ready to wear, and the glue is included. Look at that. Look at the little Santa Claus hat. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I will be saving these for you guys. Will be seeing these for sure. These are really, really pretty. These are some more of the false minks. I mean, I have so much stuff in this box, y'all. It's just like too much to even go through. This video would be entirely too long. But they have some really pretty. I love these. These are called Royal Silk. Look at these. So pretty. What else? Now these right here, these are really pretty too. I think I've tried these before. These are called So Real, My Lash But Better. I want to say I have a pair of these, but I'm not too sure. That is my style, because I don't like a real dramatic lash. I like lashes that look more on the natural side. These are really, really pretty. I should have wore these today. But y'all look, like, it's so much stuff in this box. Like, they hooked your girl up, okay? What is this? More press-ons. Like, I have a lot of press-ons. I love these colors. The nudes. Really pretty sparkles, pink, more holiday nails. Just like a bunch of goodies. This is another chrome pair. Oh, I have a lot of stuff. And then I've never tried their strip last adhesive, so they sent me over the Mega Grip in black, which I cannot wait to try this. Some more nails. Look at these. These are black. So cute. More lashes. This is a lash remover, which I've never used a lash remover before. I usually just pull it off. The lash glue that I use, it's not super strong, but I wouldn't mind using this once I try their Superflex Mega Grip. So maybe I need this because it's just that, this glue is just that good. So I'm gonna try some of these lashes today. And this is another lash purifier. It's eye makeup remover and lash cleaner. So this is pretty cool. And this is different. This is a lash glue liner. So y'all know I like to do my wing liner. So how cool is it that it's also a glue? That is too cute. It's matte finish, foolproof, easy touch up, and a dermatologist tested. So it's a fast 2-in-1 step. How cute. I am really excited about this one. Really, really excited. Oh, this one is the magnetic eyeliner liquid applicator. So this is another one that they have. And this one says new and improved. And then this one is a mascara. So this is what I would use for the little individual ones. I mean, they hook me up, y'all. I have a bunch of things to try. And then they also sent me this really pretty mirror. How cool. Yes, y'all. I have a lot of stuff in this box. Like, just like a bunch of lashes. Like, a lot of lashes. So I'm going to choose my favorite ones. And then I'll probably give some to you guys that I don't use. My little sister already took what she wanted. She took one of the boxes and filled it up. It was a lot of stuff, y'all. Like, I had a lot of stuff. So like I said, I'll go through it, take out the ones that, you know, are more my style. And then the ones that's a little too dramatic for me, I'll send to you guys. So I'll figure that out and let you guys know on a later vlog. So much. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB and TikTok SherikaB2, and I'll see you guys on the next one.